My name is Zina and I'm aging ethically. And today I'm so excited to review a palette that I purchased at Target. This is the e.l.f. Earth and Ocean palette. It is vegan and cruelty free. And I'm going to be doing a look that's inspired by an Instagram account known as gothwok. Now this makeup artist creates the most amazing little close-up eye looks. She's very unique. She's very creative. I'm going to link her channel down below. She likes to cut out little letters and do like ransom note looking art around the eye area and really take some nice close-up shots of her work. And it's absolutely delightful and really creative and original. So I'm going to be doing a look with this palette inspired by her work. So I'm going to go across from left to right and swatch all of these beauties. We have mattes, we have shimmer tones, and then we have some glitters as well here. We have a couple glitters. So this is super fun and I cannot wait to put this on my eyes. Ooh. Ooh. e.l.f. coming through with the pigmentation. These are the two that might not show up because of my green screen. Okay, guys. Oh, that's a nice shimmer. And that's that olive. Apologies if that looks like nothing, but I'm enjoying my green screen. Wow. Oh, wow. What was that one? Drip, drip. That was that guy. Ooh. Let's go. That's the glitter. Can't really see on camera, but that's a nice little glitter. Sorry, this is an awkward swatch right there. That one's very faint, but it is lovely. That's the rock bottom. A couple more shimmers and the goldish tones. Ooh, it's a nice gold. Ah, stupid lights. And that was another gold one, a little bit lighter than that one. Lovely. All right, and then the bottom row. Ooh, that one's coming up a little bit. Uh-oh. That was like softly pressed into the palette. Oh. You don't want to swatch those glitters too hard because she's softly packed in there. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Ooh, heart. Oh, it's impossible. You guys you're not going to be able to see these. Let me see here. Oh, there we go. Okay. I'm turning this light way down so you can see these colors right here. So they're different variations of blue. That is the glitter that pretty much fell apart in the pan because I pressed a little too hard. And then last but not least, we have these two copper shimmer right here, looks like. Let me see here. I'll put that right there. And I'm going to change my lights again so you can see this is a nice little brown matte. Yeah, it's almost the same color as my skin. Need some more light. And there you go. All right. So, I mean, it's a really fun palette. You have soft glitters, you have shimmers, you have mattes. Sorry for my terrible swatches, but I gotta tell you, for a drugstore brand, that's a pretty nice display of pigmentation right there. So, let's see how she performs on the eyes. I'm gonna be starting with Abyss, which is a nice deep navy blue. And this is going to be kind of messy and weird and artsy. Now I'm going to take Oasis. It's like a light blue. And I'm just blending out the edges of that darker blue that I put down first. I'm going to take Deep Drip. This is like an electric blue and it has shimmer to it. Interesting. Back with that Oasis, that light sort of teal blue. Now I'm gonna start playing with these glitters a little bit. I'm gonna take Lagoon. Very pretty. Oh, that's really cool, guys. Not sure if you could see what's happening here so far, so I'm gonna try to mess with my exposure a little bit. So we have different gradients of blue, and then we have that blue glitter right in the center and underneath. Cute. Now I'm gonna pop some of that super soft silvery glitter that pretty much crumbled as soon as I touched it. You could actually like shape it back into the pan kind of. Ooh, she's coming out. Yeah, you want to be careful with this one. Really cool. Now I'm going to pull some of this salt water. This is like a shimmery light blue, and I'm going to go all the way around with it. Oh, wow. It beams like a blue highlighter. Now I want to add some glitter. And what I have are these two different glitters for my Halloween kit. This is my toolbox of Halloween makeup. Oh my god, look how dusty it is. This is a collection of makeup that I've acquired through the years, and I tap into every October and have a lot of fun with. But I dug deep into that collection and I found these two little glitters, and they're probably really old, and I probably shouldn't be putting them on my eyes, but I'm going to anyway. This one's kind of purple, see? Oh, there you go. And then this one is kind of silvery, and I actually have a look that I want to do with this in the next few weeks, and I'm really excited, this silver one. I'm trying not to buy microplastics or glitters. Like, this palette is plastic, okay, which isn't great, but the product itself is vegan and cruelty free. But I'm sure that there are little microplastics in this glitter. Maybe not, maybe they are biodegradable in some way. Probably microplastics, and so are these, but I'm gonna go ahead and use them for today's look. I think there's something to be said about the fact that I'm making an effort to not purchase these sort of micro glitter plastics anymore, and I'm really trying to do so. And I'm making an effort to do so, whereas in the past I would never even think twice about it. I think that says something. I hope that it does, and I am trying to the best of my ability to reduce my usage of plastics and microplastics. But at the same time, I still love glitter, and this is like, you know, the struggle is real, guys. I'm going to spray a brush with some Mario Badescu skincare facial spray, and I'm picking up some of that glitter with the brush. If you're going to use glitter, guys, and you want to buy new glitter and you're not using old glitter from your collection like I am, I would highly suggest looking up Unicorn Skin Cosmetics. I'm going to put the link down below. They sell biodegradable, vegan and cruelty-free glitters that are magnificent, and I love them so, so much. I've run out of my unicorn skin glitter and I need to buy more. Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to apply a big fat lash. I've got these double stack Ardell lashes, number 203. These are really super cool, dramatic lashes. Using the Pure Cosmetics Pro Eyelash Glue. Alrighty. We have the magnificent Milk Kush Mascara. I have these fun little adhesive gems for Halloween. I bought these at Target, I believe, and I'm going to apply them to my eye. Oh, I'm going to apply a little of the Pure Cosmetics Eyelash Glue. All right, peeps, now I think I'm going to stop right there. I'm afraid to smile because I'm gonna get this bat wing right in my eye. But this is so much fun, you guys. This is the first of, I guess, my Halloween looks. Now I'm going to take some close-up Instagram shots of this look. I've used almost all of the cool tones in this e.l.f. palette. I really didn't use like some of the warmer tones, but I will use these for like everyday kind of fall looks as we approach Halloween. This was a super fun kind of makeup experiment today, guys. And this palette, incidentally, I believe was like $14. So it's, you know, pretty affordable and definitely a drugstore quality, but I did get some really nice pigmentation. The shimmers are outstanding, the glitters were a lot of fun, and all in all, it's a really nice little affordable palette to add to your collection. So guys, just so you're forewarned, I'm going to be creating some fun sort of fall looks and some like weird sort of avant-garde Halloween looks, some costumey looks as we head closer to Halloween, and I'm so excited. I post new videos every Monday and Friday, and I thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! You guys, my Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are all aging_ethically. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you so much. Bye.